Welcome to our tutorial on making connections, networking within our platform. Here today to outline 3 ways to network and make connections during our events. First up, our dedicated networking area. This will be open throughout the duration of each event. Simply drop in and see who you'll connect with. Head over to the networking area and follow the prompts on screen like so. You will want to check your audio and video settings. Simply check they're okay, check the angle, thumbs up ready to go, and apply. Hi! Within this space, you will have up to 3 minutes to talk and connect with the delegate. You can see the timer up here in the top right-hand corner, which tells you how long you've got left with the session. At the end of the session, if you want to connect, simply connect down the bottom here. You do also have the toggle options to turn your video off, like so. Mute yourself. But when you're ready to connect, simply connect here. After you've connected in the booth, you can also head over to find your connection in the People's tab. And start having a conversation with them here. So you can see here, I'm inviting Roxandra to join us in a video call. Perfect, she wants to connect. When you get a response, simply click on the hyperlink here, which will take you to a private meeting room. As before, make sure your audio video settings are correct, adjust your screen, and apply. Hi! And it's as simple as that.